Life with a puppy has been very interesting. Training him up has been challenging, but that's to be expected. I mean, we got him and he's only 8 weeks old. Einstein, there you are, baby. Come. Give me a sit. Yes, good boy. Just teaching him simple things like how to sit and stay. That's been really rewarding. He's learning slowly but surely how to do that. The thing with him is he is a puppy, so getting him to actually pay attention to want to do the training has been the most challenging part in the first place.
For some reason, he loves biting me more than Christina. Doesn't he? Down. Come on. Good here, mummy.
Good boy. Getting his attention, getting him to even be interested in food. He's a Groodle, so mixed with a poodle, when poodles are notoriously fussy. So he's not actually that motivated by food, funny enough. See, he doesn't even eat it. It's been nice having him around. This time last week, obviously I was very stressed out. Sorted out all those challenges that were happening. I guess having a little puppy is nice. Nice addition to the household. First dog I've ever had. I've never really had a pet of my own before. I'm 31 now, so it's about time. But it's been challenging to know with COVID what we're doing and what's happening. You can't really have plans, and our plan was to move overseas, go live in Bali. That all got put on hold. So I think a lot of people have adopted puppies this year as a bit of a therapy for their mental health, to help with everything that's going on in the world. You'd rather have a cuddle, wouldn't you, baby? Wouldn't you?
No, he's gorgeous.
He's so beautiful. Apparently Groodles are really good therapy dogs. That's what everyone keeps telling me. And the funniest thing is, so George didn't do research to see how big he's actually going to grow. And I said to George, is he bred with a mini poodle or a standard or a big poodle? Because it varies, obviously. And George was like, I don't know. And I messaged the breeder, and it sounds like he's been bred with a big, tall poodle. So he's gonna be massive when he's fully grown. Yes, drop it. Drop it. And George is like, no, I wanted a little dog. And I'm like, well, it's too late now. He's going to be a big boy. Lucky we're getting his training in early though, so he should be a big, well-behaved dog. Sit. Yes, good boy.